Hello everyone, I am BABU. I am a public speaking coach. In this particular video, I am going to discuss about fear and fear reduction techniques. Ladies and gentlemen, we all have fear in our minds. Unless and until we remove fear from our minds, it will be difficult for us to become successful in our lives. So it's always been important we should know how to remove the fear from our minds. Unless and until you remove fear from your minds, it will be difficult for you to become successful. I'm telling you very clearly. So irrespective of the age, irrespective of the job, whatever that you are doing, fear is common. Whether you're a college going student or you're an employee or you're doing any business or you're already an entrepreneur. So irrespective of the job, whatever that you're doing, everyone has a fear in his minds. So my question to you is, don't you have fear in your mind whenever anyone comes and asks you to speak in front of the public? Obviously, yes. Some people have fear. Don't you have a fear whenever anyone comes and take the initiation in your life to start any new thing? Obviously, you have a fear. So my question here is, everyone has a fear. The thing how we are maintaining, then how we are handling that fear is very, very important. So ladies and gentlemen, my point is very clear that irrespective of the situation where we are and irrespective of the job what we are doing, fear is very common. The only thing is that we should know how to handle that fear very clearly. Once you know how to handle that fear clearly, definitely you can become successful in your life. So always try to know how to reduce the fear. So here I'm going to discuss some techniques which will really help you to reduce the fear from your minds. Of course, fear can't be eliminated, but we can reduce. So how one can reduce the fear means you have to list all your fears first. When exactly that you are facing fear, you have to list down first, and after that you have to question yourself that how does this fear holds you back? How affects your career would be if you are maintaining the same fear in your mind. You have to question yourself. And the second thing is that how does this fear helps you in the past and how does this fear helps you in the present? You have to question like that. And third thing is that you have to think about what would be the end result if I eliminate the fear from my mind. You have to question all these three questions. You have to answer all these three questions. Whenever you're in a position to question yourself and whenever you're in a position to give answers to all these three questions, definitely you can reduce the fear from your mind. For an example, if you want to become a public speaker, already already have a fear in your mind. Obviously that is clear, right? Because most of the people have a fear in their minds whenever they get a chance to speak in front of the public. So that's the reason I'm telling you, whenever we are getting a chance to speak in front of the public, we have a fear, right? So we have to question ourselves that whether really I'm having a fear or all the people having the same fear. If the answer is yes, then why should you only feel fear to speak in front of the public? It's very common, so you have to enjoy it and you have to go and speak in front of the public. And if you speak in front of the public, there are many opportunities that you can get and you can be the different among the crowd, right? Who wants to separate from the crowd? Everyone, right? Everyone wants to separate from the crowd. Who wants to be same in the crowd? No one wants to be same in the crowd, right? Everybody wants to separate from the crowd. If you are perfect at public speaking, obviously you are different. Obviously you can be recognized by the people, right? So that would be the end result once you become perfect at public speaking. So in that way, you have to give instruction to your mind that once I go and speak in front of the public, I would be recognized and I can attract more opportunities. So why should I feel fear? Once I come out of that fear, definitely I can attract many things, many new opportunities in my life. So I'm ready to reduce the fear from my mind. In that way, I came out and I eliminated the fear from my mind and I became a public speaker. Ladies and gentlemen, when I started my career as a public speaker, I do have fear in my mind, but slowly and steadily I reduced that fear from my mind and I followed all these three techniques so that there is no concept of fear in my mind. Now I can speak with anyone and I can speak at any stage. So in the same way, if you want to start any new thing in your life or if you want to show yourself to the nation, to the people, it's very clear that you have to reduce that fear from your minds. So then only you can be recognized as a great person. Then only you can become successful in your respective lives. So ladies and gentlemen, follow these techniques. Definitely fear will be reduced from your minds. So you should always replace this fear with confidence. Unless and until you are confident enough, it will be difficult to reduce the fear. So always try to be confident. Definitely you too can get massive results in your respective life. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what I'm going to talk about fear. If you reduce the fear, definitely you too can get wonderful results, and you too can attract a lot of opportunities in your life. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this content, please like, and want to share this video to your friends and to your beloved ones. Definitely can share this video so that it can be helpful to them to reduce the fear, and they too can achieve great results in their respective lives. Thank you for watching.